Hey, it's your boy Waleed Talks Finance, back with another video. If you guys could do me a small favor and smash that like button and subscribe to the channel, we're checking out a new way that you guys can make money online. This method pays out up to $1,000 USD per customer. This is a great side hustle, and yeah, let's get right into it. All right, so the website is Kraken.com. Kraken.com is a platform where you can buy and sell cryptocurrency within minutes. And this is actually one of the top platforms, such as Coinbase, if you heard about it. What you're going to do, you go on Kraken.com. I'm going to leave a link in the description. All right, you're going to go all the way down in affiliate. You're going to go in the section called affiliates. And in the affiliate section, you're going to see it's the Kraken affiliate program. Payout is 20% of the trading fees, and it is lifetime. They get, so if like the whole time, like however many transactions that they do, so up to $1,000 USD. So it's like essentially passive income. No trading fees, no deadlines, payout. You get them directly to your bank account instead of exchange account. It's directly to your bank. You can get by bank transfer. All right, so the requirement. So what are the requirements for this is you need to have a minimum of 5,000 followers or subscribers. Non-finance or crypto related social media accounts, they are also accepted. But I'm gonna show you the best way to make sure that you do get accepted. Websites and mobile apps must be finance or crypto related. Non-websites and mobile apps must be finance related. But if it's social media influencers, you don't have to be around about. You could be in Facebook groups also, or pages. They can have them. They need a minimum 5,000, and you need to be in finance or crypto related. LinkedIn doesn't work. Gambling doesn't work. If you have a private social media account, that will also be declined. If you have any, while you do the application, also do not put as offline or other, because it will be auto declined. But before we go in the application form and fill that out, we're actually going to look at the frequently asked questions. Can only businesses become affiliates? No, you can do word of mouth. All right, but you still need a link. How long before I can start referring? Once you submit the form, the affiliate team will review the process, and within 5 business days they will reply to you. Where can I find my referral link? So create your account. That's where you can find your earnings on your dashboards. Can you get custom terms? The terms we offer, whether big or small, this is actually one of the best platforms. A lot of the competitors of Kraken affiliate program, they do discounts on trade fees instead of cash, or they give lower amount of money. And also with time, the payout, they might start at 20, and with time, as they get more affiliates, they will lower out the percentage. And also sometimes the payout period, they take too long to pay, and they don't pay you in cryptocurrency, they pay you in cash directly in your bank account. So that is why I like it. And you don't need to meet a certain level of criteria, or else you'll be cut out of the program. All right, so you're gonna go here, you're gonna go on the application form, you're gonna click here to become an affiliate. Okay, once you click here, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna enter in your information. What you can do, you can log in also. It's gonna be with Impact. All right, accounts for Kraken affiliates are separate for Kraken. Do not enter your login information for Kraken on this form. So they are with Impact company with Redbubble. You don't have to worry about it. It's not the same account. What you do, you will enter in your first name, last name, your email address. You confirm it. Pick a username, password, account display name. If you have a website, put a website, country, address. Put in your real information so that you do get payout properly. The currency that is in your country. All right, the currency in Australian dollars, euro, or pound, or Australian. Which one do you want more? What you want to do in partner type, you want to make sure that you do not choose offline or other. If you get offline or other, you will be auto rejected. For sure they will. If you do a website, you put in your website there. And remember, website has to be finance or crypto related. Mobile app, finance or crypto related. But if you have a social network, that can, if you are a social media influencer, see Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, LinkedIn, YouTube, TikTok, Twitch, WeChat, and other. What is the last one? Weibo. All right. You make sure that your account is not set to private, and also it needs 5,000 followers. All right, and then you see 20% of the sale amount. You get $1,000 payout for the duration. All right, and they pay every 15th of the month. Every 15th of the month, actions are invoiced, and they pay out every 15th of the month. All right. All right. Well, this is a very good way to make money. Very simple, straight to the point. If you've enjoyed the video, please do smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. It was your boy Waleed Talks Finance. Until next time, peace.